another North Wales side-by-side video. What this video is about is I'm going to be releasing a kit that's going to be available on eBay to convert your YXZ from track rod ends to rose joints. And the kit's going to consist of this spacer, but it's not in two pieces like mine. I'm manufacturing some one-piece spacers up at the moment, which will replace this. I'm going to put one on this one when I've made them. So you're going to get a spacer, a lock nut, a rose joint, and all the hardware to fasten it to the original hob assembly. And the hardware consists of all these components on the floor here. It consists of a high tensile steel bolt of 12mm diameter with a nylock nut. Them are the two lock washers, the lock nuts I should say, that I showed you on the assembly. You'll get 3 washers, one's to go on the nut when you bolt it together, the other 2 are for these taper adapters, because you'll have one taper adapter on the top of the hub, and you have to countersink your hub to that taper, which is just a standard countersink taper, and that locates into the top of the hub. And you do the same at the bottom, put a countersink in it for the other one of these. So you'll end up with an assembly, one of these at the bottom, washer, nylock nut. That on the top of your hub assembly, and the 2 washers go on top of the top taper adapter. They give you the right spacing then for when you drop the rose joint. Also supplied in the kit, and I haven't got any spare ones to show you, but you'll notice the bolt doesn't sit on top of the rose joint. There's 2 other adapters that go into the rose joint, and they adapt from a 14mm bore to a 12mm bore. They're called misalignment spacers, and they'll be supplied in the kit as well. So you'll get all the hardware, you'll get everything to do this conversion for one side of the vehicle. So you will need to buy 2 kits to do both sides of your YXZ. I'll release some more information on pricing, and I'll put the eBay item number in the next video about the conversion, so they're going to be readily available to buy.